Hello developers, today we are going to see how to install Python for your Windows. To do so, go to your browser and search python.org. In the results appearing, click the first link and go to downloads page and click Windows. Here you will be seeing that there are so much of packages for Windows and we are going to install Python 11.9, which is more useful for me. So you can select any other version if you want. I'm installing a Python exe file.
Later.
So I have installed a Python exe file and I'm going to run this exe file now. Click add Python to path. It will be useful for you later, and click customize installation and go to next. Install Python 3.9 for all users. If you don't want that option, you can unclick it and go to install button. So my Python is installing.
More moments later.
As we see, our Python has been installed. If you want to click disable path limit, you can click that, but I personally do not recommend this. And I'm clicking close and I'm checking whether my Python is installed or not. So I'm opening CMD and typing Python version. By doing so, I can see whether the Python is installed or not. Then I'm going to check whether the pip is installed or not. To do so, type pip version. As you see here, my pip has been installed of the version 24.0. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more useful related contents.